Hello everyone, my name is Jayashree. I'm a final year student at Panimala Engineering College in the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. This achievement was possible because of the constant support from a college management, well equipped labs, excellent infrastructure, and technology driven environment, which helped me to strengthen my technical knowledge. I sincerely thank my head of the department, Dr. S. Selvi ma'am, and all other faculty for continuous motivation and guidance. The training placement conducted in association with the QSpider was highly effective. We received structured training in coding, aptitude, technical skills, soft skills, and mock interviews. This preparation made the recruitment process smooth and manageable. My interview experience with Cognizant was challenging, but it manageable. It includes a communication round, technical round, coding round, and a combined technical plus HR interview. I was able to clear all the stages very confidently. I am truly grateful to the college, faculty, and placement for shaping my career. To all the aspiring students, I would like to say that stay focused, upgrade yourself, and believe in yourself. Thank you.